Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you have rooted your Android phone, you likely know the frustration of banking apps crashing or games refusing to load because your SafetyNet or Play integrity checks are failing. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that, or pass SafetyNet on any rooted Android phone using a specific combination of Magisk modules. Make sure you download all the necessary files from the link in the video description below before we begin. First, let's quickly go over the files we're working with today. You're going to need 5 specific items. These are the Zygisk Next module, Tricky Store, Play Integrity Fork, and the Integrity Box. Finally, strictly for Magisk users, you will also need the KSU Web APK. It is important that you have all of these downloaded and ready to go in your internal storage. Before we start the installation process, I want to show you the current state of this device so you know this is legitimate. I am opening the Play Integrity API checker right now. As you can see, it is a complete failure. We are failing basic integrity, device integrity, and strong integrity by default. This is the state most of you are probably stuck in right now, but we are about to change that. The first step is to install the KSU Web APK. Go to your file manager and locate the KSU Web APK file you downloaded. Tap on it and proceed with the standard Android installation. We aren't going to open it just yet. Just make sure it is installed on your system so it can interface with the modules later. Now, open your Magisk app. This next part is crucial, so please pay attention. Since we're using the Zygisk Next module, you must go into your Magisk settings and strictly disable the inbuilt Zygisk option. If you leave the default Zygisk on, it will conflict. Once that is disabled, go to your Modules tab. Install Zygisk Next, Tricky Store, Play Integrity Fork, and Integrity Box one by one. Do not reboot between installations, just flash them all in a row. With all 4 modules successfully flashed in the manager, we need to apply these changes to the system. Go ahead and tap the Reboot button at the bottom right. We'll just wait a few seconds for the phone to boot back up. This reboot is essential for Zygisk Next to take over the Zygisk functions and for the other modules to inject correctly. Alright, the phone has rebooted. Let's verify everything. Open Magisk again and check your modules list to ensure all 4 are active. Now remember that KSU app we installed at the start. Open that up now. You'll see that it recognizes the root environment. Navigate through the app and look for the specific modifications allowed by the Integrity Box module. You should see that the Integrity Box is actively hooking into the system via this interface. Now you might be tempted to celebrate, but watch this. I am going to run the Play Integrity check again immediately after the reboot. As you can see, basic, device, and strong integrity are actually still failing. Do not panic. This is completely normal because we haven't triggered the final certification fingerprint yet. Here is the final fix. Go back into your Magisk or KSU app. You need to look for the Action button or the specific settings menu for the modules we just installed. Click on the Action button to force the module to grab a new fingerprint. Once you've clicked that, go back to the Checker app and run the test one last time. And there we have it. As you can see, the status is updated and we are now successfully passing basic integrity. This green check mark means your device is now trusted enough to run banking apps and security-sensitive games without any issues. That is the easiest way to fix SafetyNet on your rooted device. If this video helped you get your apps working again, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more root tutorials. All the download links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.